Good afternoon. This is meteorologist J.J. Wood here at the National Weather Service in Sullivan, giving you an update on the winter storm that we are expecting for this evening into Tuesday evening across southern Wisconsin. As you can see in the graphic, areas in pink are in the winter storm warning. Areas that are in the purple are in the winter weather advisory. We have moved up the start time of the winter weather advisory and the winter storm warning in the southern part of the area to start at 6 p.m. this evening, and the northern part of the area to start at 9 p.m. this evening, as we are expecting that snow to push northeast in the area a little bit quicker than we had in previous forecasts. The winter storm warning does include the Madison area and up towards West Bend and Sheboygan and Fond du Lac and the Wisconsin Dells and down towards Darlington. The winter weather advisory area does include Milwaukee over towards Waukesha, Jefferson, Janesville, and over towards Racine and Kenosha as well. We're expecting about 6 to 11 inches of snow in the warning area, with the highest amounts toward the Dells and up towards Montello, with 4 to 6 inches across the advisory area in far southeast Wisconsin. We will see some blowing and drifting snow, especially late Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night, as we get those northwest winds gusting up to 30 miles an hour with some lighter fluffy snow. So we expect dangerous travel conditions throughout the area and really throughout the state tonight into tomorrow night. Again, we're expecting moderate to heavy snow with that blowing and drifting occurring mainly later tomorrow into tomorrow night across the area. The worst conditions we're expecting are going to be later this evening through the overnight hours, when snowfall rates may exceed an inch an hour, especially across the warning area. And this will be the most dangerous time to travel with the accumulating snow, reduced visibilities. Travel will certainly be treacherous during this time, but really it will be treacherous really all the way through Tuesday across the area. It is possible that some areas in the winter weather advisory could be upgraded to a winter storm warning in later forecasts if the snow forecast does get a little bit higher. So please keep that in mind. We might see a little light freezing drizzle as well Tuesday morning in the advisory area, which would be far southeast Wisconsin. Here is the official forecast. As you can see, the highest amounts again are areas north and west of Madison, especially up towards the Dells, Portage, and Montello. We're expecting the highest amounts, mainly in that 8 to 10, 11-inch range. You might see some 12-inch numbers in that area as well. Madison area, generally about 6 to 8 inches. As we get towards the Milwaukee area, north of Milwaukee is going to be higher. South of Milwaukee certainly will be a little bit lower. These amounts, again, could change, so please keep up with the forecast. And right now we have the lowest amounts down towards Kenosha in about the 4 to 6 inch range. Here's a graphic showing the onset of precipitation. It's going to move from southwest to northeast through the area this evening. It should reach the Madison area by about 8 o'clock, and should reach the Milwaukee area between about 8 and 9 p.m., and it won't reach the Fond du Lac and Sheboygan areas probably till about 11 p.m. or maybe perhaps midnight tonight. Here's a breakdown of the snow amounts expected. The top graphic, you'll see snow amounts only for tonight through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're expecting heavy snow, especially again in that warning area, west and northwest of Madison, up to 6 to 8 inches there. 4 to 6 inches across most of the rest of the area, maybe slightly lower amounts toward Kenosha. So certainly high impacts expected during this time with the heavy snow. And it's going to be a wet, heavy snow as well. As we get into Tuesday on the bottom graphic, into Tuesday evening, we're still expecting a good anywhere from 3 to 6 inches across the northern half of the area, with lighter amounts of 1 to 2 inches in the southern half of the area. The snow is probably going to be more of a light powdery, fluffy type snow, especially in the southern parts of the area during this time. And with those winds whipping up in the afternoon and evening, that certainly could create some issues with blowing and drifting snow. And that could carry certainly through Tuesday evening and into the rest of Tuesday night. So again, the main message of the day is to expect this winter storm and high impacts to travel tonight into Tuesday evening across the area. The blowing and drifting, again, is going to become a problem especially later Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night, adding to the already hazardous travel conditions. Please keep up with the forecast here at the National Weather Service. Again, amounts may need further adjustment, and we might have different counties added to or taken out of the winter storm warning, winter weather advisories. So please keep up with the latest forecasts with the National Weather Service. Thank you.